Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall this update, that is KB5043178. But before you uninstall it, let me inform you, uninstalling Windows update is not recommended, and you can uninstall it within 1 to 2 days after the installation, and after that uninstall option may not be available. So to uninstall it, open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update and then go to Update History. Scroll down. At the bottom here you can see Uninstall Update option. Click on Uninstall Updates. Now over here you will see the update, that is KB5043178. You will see the uninstall option, so click on uninstall and then click on uninstall once again and let the process complete. Now once uninstalled, in my case it is already uninstalled. Now once it is uninstalled, then restart your computer. Restart is a must after this. Now click on restart. Now after the restart, again open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Now it's an auto update. If auto update is on, you can turn it off if you don't want to install it again, or you can pause the update over here. Select the option pause update. So because when you go to Windows Update again, it may install automatically. So to stop that, go to pause update and you can maybe pause it for 1 week, 2 week. You can just pause the update, and whenever in future, like maybe after some time, if you want to update your Windows 11 once again, you can always click on resume updates and then you can install the future updates. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.